Hello and welcome back to Unit 2 Handling Data 2. In the previous tutorials we were talking about the mean, the mode, and the median, and in this tutorial we will talk about the range. The exercise says find the range of the numbers 7, 8, 9, 9, 10, and 12. So, to find the range you have to subtract the smallest from the largest, which is 12 minus 7, which is 5. So 5 is our range. For this example, find the range for the following frequency distribution. So, as we know by far, the range is the difference between the largest value and the smallest value. And of course, we're not talking frequencies here. Since 0 is repetitive, 1 is repetitive, 2 is repetitive, and so on. But, let's take a look at the values. Our largest value is 5, and our smallest value is 0. So, the range is simply largest minus the smallest, which is 5 minus 0, which is 5.